hygiene. We also to freshen up and to also clean clean your body.
You're surprised. Why is it under the table? You put it on a tray. It should be placed, arranged properly, well organized in one tray or one complete or one complete one. Get an extra chair, put everything there.
If we remove their clothes, they might feel cold. So, and they will complain. So, and then also ask them, ma'am, are you home? Or are you ready to clean your body?
So when it comes to providing privacy, you only expose the part that needs to be washed. You don't undress the patient. Total undress yun, inubuan na ginan niya ang buong. No. Even though naka-blanket na siya. So if ever you'll start with the face, ayaw sa siya mabulitan. Kailangan kamay mo muna ako. Once you're ready, go down. That's the time that you strip it off. Kung sa mga nito ang panguno. Until, ano mo na siya. That is providing privacy. Despite of the patient having dementia, way buon, or unconscious magani si patient, you still need to maintain privacy and apply proper draping. Meaning, you only expose the part that needs to be exposed. Okay?
So, first step is to prepare the bed. Raise the bed to a comfortable height. And then use the railings. And then if you also ask the patient if they are able to stand up or sit upright, that way you promote independence to the patient. Because some patients can't do it. The reason for bed bathing or importance of bed bath is essential for individuals who are bedridden or have limited mobility. So not necessarily with breathing sedation, but just have a limited mobility to move around.
So let's say, magulang na siya ng pilan siya ng tukod. Pwede siya or magulang siya ng hip replacement. So hindi pa siya pwede. Kapag debedo sa si patient. So man mag-bed pata. If bedridden din siya, okay na, paano siya. But if the patient is able to go to the bathroom and take a bath, hindi siya may higaan. Hida lang ka pa. So yun yung hindi ko sa bathroom, then let the patient go to the bathroom. Okay, so prevents the spread of infection. Okay, prevents contamination. So that's the main purpose of bed bath. Okay, so sa ganito, what are the things needed? Of course, you have your towels, your heavy towels, you have your washcloth, you have two basins, one for the soapy water and the other one. When it comes to the soap guys, you don't directly put the soap on the patient's skin. It has to be diluted with the water. Okay? Manadiling kayo strong. Okay? It's very drying to the patient's skin. And then, isa pa. Usually, no, ang mga bata, di ba, they will be using the top-to-toe wash. They use the same with the elderly. And kasensitive sa ilang skin mo, mauna na siya.
No more tears for you.
Okay. So, of course, you have your PPE. It's very important. Lotion. Here, it's optional, but if it's an elderly, it's necessary. Okay? You need to put lotion. In clothes, of course, waterproof mat. You have your rubber mats there.
Yes,
How about itong rubber mats? You need to use the rubber mats, yes, to prevent leakage, no? And then, a table or a stand to hold the material. So, wala mo yung table or stand, wala na pundok yung material. So, dapat naka-fold na nadaan ang mga towel, ang mga washcloth, ang sinina ni patient, ana na tanan. The lotion, the soap, the water. Isara na siya kakuan. The table. Of course, where is your trash bag? Or where is the trash bag and the laundry hamper? The trash bag, you will use that to dispose. Let's say you will be using cottons, no, for the patient's face. Or if you're already removing the diaper of the patient, then you need a garbage, no, a trash bag. And then the laundry bag, of course, you will need a laundry bag to dispose all the soiled linens and towels. Okay, let's start.
Step 1, we're done. And then break, like I said, ask the patient if they're able to stand up. Or if not, then we have some automatic beds that will just raise up if you press the button. So, butangan na ito, or put the rail as well to make sure that if ikaw lang usa, to put the patient safely so they don't fall.
Okay. The purpose of elevating the height of the bed, that is for your safety. So that you will not be hurting your back. That's proper body mechanics. You need to be working, no? Working height dapat ang bed. Kaya yung bubo, you will be bending. If it's too high, you'll be extending your back. So, at least, dili kay siya. Neutral position ang inyong back. Working height. Okay? Working height siya. Side rails up, of course, for safety ni patient. Okay, basig once you're moving the patient here and there, mahog na hinuon si patient. And of course, the towels. That's why I said you need a lot of towels. Will you be doing the bed shampoo?
Yes, miss. Di-apply na ko.
Where is your Kelly pad? You'll be doing the bed shampoo. You need a Kelly pad. The rubber pad that you'll be putting on the head to drain the water when you wash.
Ang kanina gihapon ang English miss sa video is ang ilahang is ang pad ilang gigamit is absorbent pad. Yeah.
You can actually use that, but if too much water mangkot, usually basa yun na siya. So the Kelly pad, it's in the lab, no? In which you will be inserting it under the patient's head. Then anha na siya diha, it will be draped, will be putting a basin under or a pail. Ato siya dito to catch the water. So while you're washing, while you're rinsing, ato na nahulog ka na siya.
Ang sa one is this, we have a different way.
Sige, let's do it.
I gave it in later. So first is to wash the face. So we have.
So let's start with the face.
So we need
I didn't bring that one also. Yan ang mga lotion. You don't need that for the face.
well,
Can you pull the picture? Let's say the patient.
it's covered and then put a pillow.
So kaniya it has to be changed with a bath blanket. So mag-iris itaan niyo og bath blanket. Kana i-iris na kanang color. Assuming it's a bath blanket. How do you change? What's the proper way? Straight ka dyan. Ay, straight ka. Andam sa. Balik. Dapat balik. Balik.
This is the
Assuming it's a bath. Ang bath blanket, guys, mura na siyang towel na habol. Kakuan na nga, murag folya siya o material. Pero mo na siya inyong ikuan, ihabol sa pasyente kung mag-bed bath mo. It's very absorbent and it's warm. Okay? So, nindot siya to cover. So, how do you remove the top sheet? Okay, sige, roll lang siya patong sa ubos. So, if the patient is able to hold the blanket, let the patient hold the blanket.
assuming that walay obstructions beneath, so there. So after that, you go ahead and only expose the area that needs to be washed. For instance, this is the face, so you don't open up the chest of the patient, rather cover it to make sure that the privacy is still there. So then, make sure that you use lukewarm water, not hot water.
How do you protect the patient?
Oh, yes, miss. We...
It should be a towel. Sige,
Sige.
ha, may towel ninyo. Assuming na lang ang towel mo siya. Lagyan ko basta. Ito ano siya. You can use this absorbent.
There it is. And then, so you start by making sure that the water is not too hot and not too cold. So it's just lukewarm water.
So let the patient touch the water. To check. Okay. So sir, maligo ta sir.
Sir, sige go. Okay na niya.
Kapa ang tubig sir. Okay lagi init.
Hindi na
And you
init.
should, charot.
So, okay na.
So init. Okay ra. Okay.
Add more water.
So okay ra daw. Kaya guys, no, ang kanila bang kuan ni patient sa mga tigulang, lahi na when it comes to the detection of temperature. Kung sa ilaha, so ato adi tayo init, kasi sa ila init kaayo. No? O sa ato, okay ra kuan. Lahi na sila. Ang ilahang mga nerves, no? Yung sensory mga kuan. So okay na daw, yung sister, pwede na.
This is the upper body, so we have to start from here down to the bottom. So first is to wet the washcloth with warm water and start with the eyes. Do not use a soap to the eyes because it's going to be painful or it will sting, cause redness and irritation to the patient. It will cause discomfort. So you wash
No soap on the eyes.
So start by inner to outer.
So washcloth, ibutan natin sa warm water. So, let's create a So, you create a wash medium guys para masabi. Dako man ko ilang washcloth. So this is how you do the wash method. Or, so ano no, pahit-pahit na lang. Never use the same side, no?
Oh, yes,
And
yes.
your eyes. Now, you can also do this. Fold that. And then, kumuha ng rewipe, diba? Tapuha. And then fold. So, wait this side. So, do it.
Like I said, use a different area of the washcloth for each eye. There. And then washing from inner to the outer corner.
So what's the rationale? Inner to outer canthus of the eye. This is the inner canthus. So when you wipe, paana siya guys? Gawas. Murag, if ever naman ganyan siya yung mga crust, muta, that's crust. So at least matangtang paana ang direction sa pagpatig. Gawas. Inner to outer canthus to prevent cross contamination. Only one direction. Dili kay imong irap. No. Okay? Just one.
Let's start. So this area, start from inner to outer, and then peel, and then use the outer one to that, to the other eye. Then you don't need that. Kinasa mo lang siya. So you have to dry it. So
Pat dry.
Dry only. Ask them to close their eyes. And then another side.
So pat dry. Not this one.
Not rubbing.
This is rubbing. Or this is wiping. Pat. Okay, that is how you do.
Then next, after you finish washing the eyes, then you go with the face, the neck, the ears, the neck, using the soap na, and then rinse. So,
Ako ba mo natin siya para makita ko pa siya ng
I'm going
na yung ipahira.
to wash I'm going to wash your face now. Angelina, please tell me if it's too cold or it's too hot.
Start with the
Inner on
Sa imuhang do.
ang tang.
Sa imong ilong.
one side.
Parang sa ayaw magtabunan ang mata.
Forehead.
Dili matabunan ang mata. Dili tabunan ang mata.
Para makita ng ears, appeared magawas. Okay? And, so, padare, pag-i sa dunggan, dili apin, dili siya paana ha, no? Puro siya number 3. And then, pagawas, chin. One direction.
So, from forehead to the ears, temple, going to the chin, and then out. Then another heel to the other side. And then again, after that, you pat dry. Sorry, rinse. Since I'm going to soap, then you have to use another water, clean water, or rinse water, to wash out the soap, because if there will be residues that are left in the patient's face, especially soap, mag-rashes or mag-cause irritation. So, same way, ears, rinse, and then fidgeting out, and then do the other one, the other side, and then do the pat dry. And so washing the hair.
So for the ears, guys, you can clean it separately. You can also clean the mouth, one direction. And ay uban, ang laway kilolo, magpuntong dire sa kilo. Na? So you can also wipe the mouth, isa lang ka direction, dire. Then do the other side na po. Alternate. Now, you can also clean the ears, wipe the ears front and back. Okay, para po. Now, if ever you'll be using a cotton buds, where should you use the cotton buds? Which part of the ears?
Outer?
Outer. Only on the pinna. Pinna, rahat, this one, the external ear. Just this part, not on the canal. Okay? Kanara. Panglimpyo rin sa nose.
So
Okay.
since on the manual they didn't put the washing in hair, so I just put it there, especially because we're in the upper body. At least it's not going to be forgotten.
Clean the body na lang and then we'll do the hair later.
Out.
They're supposed to be, guys, you start with the hair.
So it's not
Sige. Sige. Continue na. After the face, usang isunod.
as it is. Except na naman.
Skip po sana. We'll do it later. Upper body? Upper body na mo?
Upper body. Yes. So apply soap to the washcloth. This is your soapy water. So apply
So,
soap.
dispose na dayon ha. Ang inyong hand. Use niya. Ako ano siya. So, sa face, dispose, change it with the new water.
Again, there is an example here. Expose only the area being washed. For example, uncover an arm, then place a towel underneath it and support the client's arm with the palm of your hand underneath the client's elbow. Wash and dry it, and then put it back under the towel. Privacy.
The reason why I would rather use a towel under the head, because you can use that same towel to pat dry. Ana. And then once you're done washing the face, you can remove the towel, transfer it under the arm. Ana. Sige. So which part man ang sunod na ako pa ana? Shoulders and the arms. So you start with the right. Iline ang imong arm and shoulder with a towel. Anong underpants lang. Kato dito nga side ang line para makita nila. This side ka. So again, proper draping is to provide privacy. Expose only the part that needs to be washed.
So, magpuputan mo
Langaw sa ang inyang ha. Now, what's the proper way of undressing a patient if may IV?
Start with the
start removing from the unaffected arm. And then last ang naay
IV drop.
Ha? So that is how you remove the part.
We'll start here kay wala ka na IB din eh. So we'll start with the unaffected one.
Okay, remove. Sige rin yan. Na-unstrap, na-nakuha na, na-antay na sa likod. Pilit ko ang kaya. Dapat kabalong mo ani ha, kay mo binin yung buhaton sa iyong machine yung tao.
So there, since we're washing the shoulder and arms, so we only expose the area that we will be washing. So wala labot ang hindi mo. So start with your soapy water again, and then from shoulder down, and then another side.
So guys, the principle when it comes to washing, the principle is start from the cleanest to the dirtiest. So you always start washing from the cleanest to the dirtiest. Now here, which part is the dirtiest? Oh, armpit. Huh? Armpit. Ano man? Kaya na, di ba, magpundo, magsimot, ang mga armpit, dulo. So, na. So, start from the distal to the proximal. And it also will help aid with circulation.
Oh yes.
When you start from the distal to the proximal. So, just the fact na mo na siya ipalit ko, aids with circulation. So, how do you wipe? Yan sa pag-wipe, sir. No, you don't include the hand height only from the wrist because there's a different kahina pag-wash. Separate na pag-uan ng hands. So, from the wrist,
down to the up to the shoulder, and then
ano niya siya? So, from the wrist, di ba one direction lang ito itong kanat to avoid contamination, cross-contamination. So, pwede ka mag-zigzag? Pwede. So, ana. Pwede sad ana. Now, asa man talas gani? Armpit. Armpit. So, ang kuwanan ni siya is dapat, ang direction niyo mo is paggawas. Parehasa di ba hat ako sa face, di ba? Paggawas. So, kung diri, igin ako niya, ilok, gawas. Ha? Last. So, from the wrist, going up, then ilok, gawas. Wapan ka na satisfy, you want to do the posterior portion of the arm, then ari ka diri, ilok, gawas. Okay? So, ana siya. Wala pa nilabot si kamot. Because, after sa iyahang arm, you then clean that.
so again, you support the elbow of the patient, and then like Mom said, so you can do zigzag from the wrist up to the armpit and then go out, and then one other peel on the part of the clean cloth or the soapy cloth from wrist down, and then do another set up. Fix it on the armpit, and then after that, rinse the arm of the patient. So, like you were supporting the elbow of the patient. Or if they can raise their hands, if it's strong enough, then they can do that.
Let them help.
Raise your hand. So again, same process. Then elbow, and then armpit out, and then do another on the back, then out, and then do the other side.
Tricep.
I'm sorry. So do not
You
rub.
can use the towel. If you have a towel lined under the arm, you can use
And then do the other part. Just skip it lang.
it. So it's the same process with the other arm. So, strip it down. Strip yan down. Maubos. You can remove it down. Just cover the patient with the blanket. Kaya mo na yun. So usually guys, if sa patient's room, nananaliha ang faucet daan, hot and cold na paano. So dapat every now and then you need to change the water to avoid contamination. Okay? Or you can prepare a pitcher of clean water.
So next is wash the hands and nails now. So use the person's hand in the basin. So, and then
What's the purpose of that? What's the purpose na yung mukhang ihumog?
Para mahumok ang
Ay, parihaan ng mag-focus pa na.
para mahumok ang
Ano ang kaha? To soften the sorry, this one. The nails specifically because the nails of the one elderly is very brittle. Brittle kind of siya. It's very difficult to clean. So, mas nindot ni soap o sa siya sa soapy water. Soapy water. Okay, and then after that,
Wash the hands, fingers, and nails thoroughly. So, pagutang na ito. And if in case guys, if we have like specialized soap,
hand cream.
so for hand cream, especially because na may uban with very delicate skin or have some pre-existing condition like psoriasis, the doctor would normally prescribe them a different type of soap. They want to use that.
So you can also do massage, hand massage while you're washing your hands. So make sure you focus in between. This is the web of the fingers because ariman na magbundok na ang mga hugaw. Okay. So when it comes to nail care, dapat just hand yung nail care sa ako. Ito na sa mga. Okay, sige. So we're done with the hands.
The hands na. So next is step 6. Wash the body.
Chest, paninyo. 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 Chest.
Oh.
So,
Towel.
towel. This is our towel.
Amoy towel. So assuming the patient is a female, so naibuba si patient. So be careful ha, make sure to provide the privacy ha, na anay makita nila. Okay?
In the chest, do the same principle from the cleanest to the dirtiest. So again, use a new supply of soapy water, and then add some soap, and then
Warm water.
ask the patient. And also ask the patient if you can notice sila or are you cold now.
Every now and then.
From the cleanest to the dirtiest. So start from the neck, and then make sure as well that the mga folds you clean them, especially sa mga babae kay may belly or
Under the...
under the breast, ay mga folds, make sure you wipe it like that.
Alam mo, si madam.
Ayan na. So from that down the chest, then out, fold out, and then another flip, then do another one. There. And then once you're satisfied and you see that it's clean, then wipe again from rinse again from neck down to the breast.
So usually, kung tiguan natin, may mugagmay na ang mga kung sa kanila. Pero since if you have clients from other countries, medyo nagpuhong na sila.
Yat rin.
Yat na, no? So, be careful ha, kaya basi mag-iha mong harassment, kung palabalan na yung pula mo sa tubig. Kung ano. So, careful and also, ang skin man good ni patient, delicate na siya. Kumuha na siya, no? Very delicate na siya. So, when you are to wipe, one direction na gihapon, then, alidere, then, gawas. Okay? Then the other side, gihapon, dito, na, ilano, gawas. Ma'am, ang yung nipple mo, kumuha ba ang nipple?
Naa gamay.
Laman ay brown.
Kanang mga itong-it.
Actually,
Naa, kana itom-itom, oo.
Sa high.
Nasa ipag na
Oh. So yung mga nagya po na apilon diha. Ayaw nagtitig ka diha. So that's with the chest. You're already done rinsing, then you do the pat dry. So you're done with the breast. Moving on. Asa naman sunod? Abdomen.
abdomen. So, sa abdomen, wash the body. So, wash and rinse the client's body and abdomen, including the belly button. Yun yung doctor sa episode because sometimes the dirt or it's actually dirty like
Ayun kayo mo pupunod sa ko sa puso. Kasi dito nga. Kasi tayo mo makita mapalaban na itong dito atong puso hakdo. Tama. Kali pa din mo ito ay. Ilok kita ito sa musay na bro na ito ka after diba? Kaya na siya dito sa kuan. So, kuan lang. If ever, kuan lang sa kinamagwangan. So, how do you wipe the abdomen?
so from the penis to the radius. So abdomen down to the pelvic.
Siya mo na Actually, sa abot sa roots pubis. So, sa abdomen, guys, you can do figure siya.
Side.
Anak lang, pa-side. And then, another one, pa-side. Ayaw sa kuta ang monster. Paano siya ilapot? Nahinay lang.
So kapuskon guys.
Gusto ko sa clear mo sa ta.
So and then once you get rinsing,
So guys, honey, once you're already cleaning the chest and the abdomen, that's when you line the back with a towel, with a heavy towel. No, para in case if naay water nga mo kuan, para malagi na. So ito ka na alamisa. That's a cardiac tape-on. Kailangan na ninyo ha. Cardiac tape-on na siya. Now, ano to sa tiyang, sir? What is next?
Washing the lower body.
Lower body na na.
Uncover one of the things like place a towel, run twice on the
Ibalik sa nagtapon, Zay. And then remove the towel, Zay.
So, kaning towel na imong use, you can butang siya down and then you expose the letters.
Ato nga, kato nga side, sir, para makita nila. So in the real world, guys, you do this fast. Pas-pas lang siya din siya paano ang time.
Pero ang 1 minute lang, like, gawin na ang power gawin.
Pwede na to i-start. No, gitang-tang.
Ilaw, mag-inis sa mga.
No, you can actually move it. Mo na akong gingon nila na dapat na-area. You have 1 towel for the head, 1 towel for the chest, no? And then it's 4.
Like it's the same principle. So you make
Sa
sure
imuhang arm.
the arm is same principle that you provide privacy still with the patient, expose the part where it needs to be washed, and so same principle. So from distal,
The ankle,
the ankle down to the up to the
then up,
to the buga.
groin naman.
Groin,
right?
yeah, groin.
Groin. Or the inguinal area.
So from top, from distal to the groin area,
Wash.
then
And do another one in the back portion. Okay.
then rinse, and then rinse with the remote doctor.
Another side. Never use the same side when it comes to washing and rinsing. So, let's say for example, during the demonstration, naman din time na kalimutan ako si rinsing. So, before you start, sugod na lang mo. So, this process involves washing, rinsing, and pat and dry. Okay. So, if in case, na-remind na lang niya na, if in case ma'am, malimutan na ko unya, so it's supposed to be this process needs to be done. So, I will not be expecting you guys mahinduman yun na ginamit, especially po ng pagkakulba. Hindi na din mo ka, murong na yung mga baba dito, ikuha ninyo, demo ninyo. Okay, so, kada siya nga process. And then, pat dry. Okay. And then the same with the other side. Yes. Okay.
And then so the last thing is
Skip na lang ang full.
That's the wala ko na pinagano'n.
Ay, naman ay mag-break here.
Sa back.
So, back naman. Back hair.
Back hair. Ay, dili dapat na ito.
Nakakatuyok cover.
Ang kamot.
Okay, so make sure the side rails is up for safety purposes. Expose only the back. Ayo ang bilang lubot. Only the back.
Ha?
Anak lang, assuming buko na niya, sir.
And ang good my circle. So from the same principle from cleanest to dirtiest. So from the back, you go down to the
Waist.
buttocks area or to the
Paula, proportion lang.
then do another one, and then another side. And after that, you rinse with clean water. Then there, another side, and after that, you pat dry.
Okay, this is now the best time. If the patient would like a back massage, then you can do back massage. Back, you can start with Aquarage. Back, and then you can do some bed massage. Ana, nililapit sa buko-buko. So, if that is, if mo request si patient, and kabalusan ka. Bukod sa ganun mo sa kakabalo.
Pwede ka balik.
Guys, actually, one technique when it comes to doing the massage. Yun na sila pitig, ako mong hilot. Tanan, oy, sarap na, katapik na mo ng massage mo ang pag-iskila. But one tip here, when you are to do the massage, guys, never lose contact with the patient's skin. So, ay pasabot, ana. When you, let's say, for example, you will do pet massage. Ganang pet massage, ganang ana, you will be putting pressure na sa neck, paan, no? If ever you will transition to another area, let's say mo transition ka, gusto ka mo balhin diri or ana mo mulahi ka nga type sa massage mo buhaton, then ayaw buhi. Usa ka kamot ang mo start sa transition, And then, the other hand should still be on, coming in contact with the skin. Kay bati kayo nga feeling nga, nag-massage ka na, bugian mo kalit. Maputol ang momento. It's not so relaxing. No? So while you're doing this, over the trapezius muscle, there is a neck, hindi kayo siya ang anak. And then, arina ka, you want to do the spinal area. So, arisa ka, kaning usa mo transition, start, and then followed by the other one. Meaning, never lose contact. Para mas relaxing. Ang paabya na siya, spirit group.
Extra.
Extra income.
You're done. You're done. You want to invite execution.
So, if ever may si patient, gusto siya pabutang powder, or pwede siya pabutang oil, then do so. Now, sa PASAT, especially if male, dinahan sila magpa-shave. Ay, naman mo shave. Kasi mo shave.
Group 1 is
Mo shave, may dahil na sa group 1. Sige. Okay na lang nato ang shave.
and then change the codes.
Sige, dressing. Paul. Manto.
caregiver for assist you in dressing. So we have this dot we need to dress up.
So, ilisa no sa nato ang top sheet, sir. I-change it with a clean top sheet. So, also, after the kuan guys, after bathing, it's also, katong giingon yung Archie, it's the best time to change the linens. Okay? Balis, sir. Dito na lang na iba. Ito na lang ipautan na lang yung side mo na dito. Just after lang na.
This one, ma'am. Lemon. Okay, so
So you have gathered the supplies needed.
I mean, I am here to get you wake up. I would like to confirm if you are Angelina. Kera. Okay lang ma'am sa mga katalitin mo. Are you comfortable?
Itulong ko kay Gabo.
Okay, so
I don't have an
I will start dressing you up. So first, asa man mo ang weak side now. So for example, if yung weak side is maybe three. Okay, so let's start with your weak side. So that's right. To maintain privacy.
Ano mo ba ni IV also?
Maintain the privacy.
Opposite na ganina.
So first, like to
When you undress, you start with the good side. When you put on the clothing, you start with the bad side. So, IV, so may IV. So, ano sa nani mo isuot sa IV? Isuot sa nani mo sa IV.
first you will insert your hand, then bawal mo yung mo. Then next, after kay sa tunga side, roll the so first you need to place the rail, then push the leg, then the arm, twisting the hand, then roll towards the ring. dito, paano po ito?
Upper side na po.
Also, other leg. You need to
Raise the arm.
arm,
Legs.
side, the back. Kaya tamam? Absurd ang gawa, barangay.
Sana all bigapus. Love, love.
Okay na ma'am, ang best.
How to put on the diaper? Dili ka mo. Naka-sign sa diaper.
Balik niya.
Isa sign ako sa bedpan.
Sila.
Apila lang sa nang mag-put on sa diaper. Ha? Demo no? Bedpan mo. Gumanin mo pa. Gumanin mo pa ibang pa. Isa rin siya diaper.
So next, magpunta o compression stocking.
Okay, sige. Dali kay gigutom na daw si Ma'am Dora.
Good morning, Ma'am Angelina. My name is Riza, and I'm your caregiver for today. So, let me confirm. So, yes, your name is Angelina. And then, I've already gathered my supplies. I've already washed my hands also. And then, I will start to...
So guys, don't forget to mention, no? For me to confirm the patient's name, I'll be using two patient identifiers. So if patient is able to talk, then I will ask the patient his or her complete name with the rate of birth. If the patient is unconscious, then I will just be checking the bracelet and the trunk. Okay? So that is how you do the two patient identifiers. What's the purpose of your compression stockings?
Kuan, Miss. The benefit of compression stocking is for
Circulation.
improving of blood flow, especially if the patient has a problem with his circulation, like patient who has varicose veins, like that, and edema, may swelling.
And for diabetics.
Yes. So,
Morning hilo.
sige, alin na lang lang.
Sige, demo na.
So it's important that it's ideal to have the client elevate her legs for about 15 minutes based on her manual and this my research also.
Why?
Para makakuha miss ang ihang flow ba sa circulation ang kanyang blood flow. And then turn stocking inside out. So naon siya stocking. Actually, when I bought this stocking, they don't have the stock for the clothes. So I just bought this one. It's a 8 months at noon.
So actually, the purpose anong open na siya sa itong part is to check sa circulation. Because you will be able to check if okay ang circulation sa dugo through the nails. So that's why it's open.
Then place. So before the eye, manahid ka sa patient. Hello ma'am. So I'll be putting only elastic stocking to your right leg. So I'll be showing it. I'll be exposing. Kapag naman na may curtain, na may privacy.
We've already provided privacy.
Okay, so provided privacy. And then,
Mahayang ka. So this one. So tanawa ha kung asa dapit ang sa sole nga part.
yes.
Tanawa ang sa tikod. Sa heel. Okay.
Heel. So you will only fold the stocking until the heel part. Okay, there will come a base by pulling up. So you'll be sticking your at least 2 fingers, this one, and then stretch it. Because compression stocking is very, very tight. So you need to, this one, yes. And then always check that the heel must be at the heel part also. All the,
Align on the heel. Abangin sa nasa Uy, grabe sa kayo sa Kaya na, damay lang nagtiil si Angeline.
yes, miss. That's why I chose a delete na to bring because the other mannequin, oh my God. So, Moto, pull up the stocking from the foot, heel, and leg, and then make sure kanang kuan, smooth. Hinay lang yun, ang niya. Kanya, ang take note is dapat upon putting the kuan, stocking, para dili sa siya mga kuan, mo nang dapat yung hang nails is yes, short, and then nakaput on gloves ka. If wala ni gloves, actually I tried this at home. Kung wala gloves, lisod kayo siya, bira-bira ko. But when you're using a gloves,
Be
it's
careful,
easier.
ha? Kaya if ever you'll be pulling it up, you might pinch the patient's neck. Ha?
That's why, naaral lang dito. Abuse. Baka na abuse ang dami.
Okay, dali rin ba kayo na move ang skin blood cutting ang ganso. Yung ka na, especially kung mag-wrinkle niya, binahon ninyo. So, what yung panic na dahil ko yung nabibang.
So, make sure after putting on the stocking, it is smooth, no twist, wala twist. Kaya maka-create na siya ka ng itchiness, naka-itchiness there. And then, wrinkles. And it's not too tight for the client's toe. So, dapat, before putting on sa client, i-consult sa ka sa doctor sa ilang exact size. Exact
It
na,
comes with sizes, ha?
Yes,
Hindi po
miss.
stretchable na siya, fits all.
nga tightness, miss. Dahil lain sa dihang tightness, so dapat kung mas maayo nga ikuan by doctor.
So dahil sa tayo, luwag lang yung ihatag sa pasyente, what's the purpose? Where is the compression? No? Dapat na chilbit tayo. Parehara ko na magsuot mong girdle. Diba? Kanang para sa inyong hangtiyan, kanang yung mga body shaper. Oh. So dapat ito compress. Enough na makaginhawa pasad mo. Okay? So do the same with the other.
Yes, do the same with the other feet, assuming that I've done it. So after that, I'll confirm to the patient that, Ma'am Angelina, I've already put on your stocking, and thank you for allowing me to help you.
Okay, so ang inom naman na when it comes to compression stocking is every now and then you check the nails. No, for circulation. Kaya basi buhok na kayo, putik na ang mga tubo sa imuhang pasyente or ng lagong na labiha. Kaya buhok na rin kayong stocking imuhang gibutang. Okay, so check every now and then. And avoid wrinkles good because wrinkles could add pressure and friction sa skin ni patient. Okay? So that's for the putting of compression stocking. Alright, let's take a break.